Now, developing a new mindset can be a challenging but rewarding process. Now, here are some steps you can take to help you develop a new mindset this study year. Number 1, identify your current mindset. Take some time to reflect on your current belief system and how it affects your thoughts, your feelings, and your behaviors as well. Consider what kind of beliefs you hold about yourselves and others around you. Next, set specific achievable goals for yourself. Having clear goals will actually help you stay focused and motivated as you work towards making positive changes in your life. Number 3, practice gratitude. Now, focusing on what you are grateful for can actually help you shift your mindset towards a more positive one. Try taking a few minutes each day to think about what you're actually thankful for. Next, surround yourself with positive people. Now, spend time with people who are supportive, who are encouraging. Now, this type of friends, right, can actually help inspire and motivate you to develop a more positive mindset. And last but not least, learn from mistakes. Now, instead of dwelling on them, try to see them as opportunities to learn and grow.